Right now, today, what I'm going to be showing you is exactly how you can make money by introducing your friends, your family, or if you have a community into this fabulous broker. We've been talking about PUPrime. That's right. You can refer a friend and get rewarded. So what this will do is increase your trading capital. Okay, so what that means is every referral, you receive a bonus that you can either simply withdraw or add it to your broker statement. So if you bring in 10 people, 100 people, or even 1,000 people, you will get rewarded for that. Now, we all know that PUPrime has multiple different attributes leading to the success it's had in multiple different regions, whether it's the copy trading, whether it's the education, or even the outstanding spreads on the likes of gold, GU and EU, which is GBP USD on Forex pairs. Now, what I'm going to do is just show you through the PUPrime, show you the benefits, show you exactly how much you're going to be getting, and also breaking it down for you a little bit simpler. But just remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Here we have it, guys. We're on PUPrime website, refer a friend. Okay, so the promotion is nice and simple. There are terms and conditions, so make sure you do read all of them for you. But you will receive a unique link. You can click the join now button, or if you've already signed up, you can do it in your back office as well. Now, you can earn up to $150 per successful referral. Now, how does this break down? Nice and simple. You get a $20 voucher for every open account successfully. Now, including a deposit, that'll be $50. And once they've met their trading requirements, that's an $80 voucher. Okay, so it's nice and simple. Log into the client portal on their website, click refer a friend under the promotions tab, get your unique referral URL, track that status of pending referrals, see how much you've earned, and then check your referral history. Terms and conditions can be made here. Simply read more. Now, obviously, if you've been following my videos before, if you know anything about PUPrime, it is simple as registering. Okay, so registering is a nice 3-step process, and getting your commissions is a nice 3-step process as well. Basically, sign up for them, get them to fund it, and start trading, and you'll get that maximum $150 voucher. Okay, but if you are stuck on ideas of why they should join PUPrime, I've done it in multiple videos before, but what you can see here is platforms you could depend on. Why? Because they're an award-winning mobile experience for trading anytime and anywhere with their lovely little app. Browser-based web trader platform for all major browsers. They also include MetaTrader 4 and 5, comprehensive education, analysis, trading tools, copy trading with PUPrime app. We know they are one of the leading brokers in the industry. But there we have it, guys. That was how you can refer a friend, how you can get it, where to find the link, and also why you should be introducing your community or even friends and family to this. Whether you know one friend or whether you know 100 that would be interested in, you will benefit. This is nice and simple. You share a link and then you get rewarded. But thank you very much for watching this video. If you'd like to, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, press the bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.